These are some of my thoughts after living like a minimalist for 3 years. We like to fill up the spaces we have, don't we? Empty spaces look barren, uninviting, and stark. Or do they? How much of our actions today are based on what is familiar? I noticed that excess disposable income generates a mentality of, I deserve this. While I may absolutely deserve a treat, I also know that an average American produces trash at the rate of 4.4 pounds per person per day, with only 33% being recycled. It's like walking with a trail of trash pouring out of you, 67% of which is landfill. The throwaway generation. Is that what we will be remembered as? Discard, replace, out of sight, out of mind. Or maybe we're the upgrade generation. I must keep up or I'll fall behind. The justification of our behaviors will most certainly align with our world and self-view. That's why our actions speak way louder than words. It shows what we believe. To curb this heaving social pressure, I practice the age-old habit of reducing and reusing. Buying new only when necessary. There are so many ways to live lean, and even more ways of doing it better. Donating things are great, but sometimes it's easy to get caught in the upgrade culture. And use donations to clear our conscience. Is that still minimalism? What is the motive behind our actions? If our culture and traditions include gift giving, how do we still honor it without creating waste? Perhaps by being specific about the things we need, or eliminating shame in buying used, or funner yet, making it ourselves. For example, this is one of the cars I drive. I could upgrade it and get a new one, but it's completely functional. Most importantly though, it helps me get from point A to point B. So whether I'm driving this, or this, or this, it changes nothing. Sometimes we find unanimous solutions like, let's lower our carbon footprint. While it may help netting out the carbon waste we're generating, when looking at specific industries, it's counter to improved well-being. Take the meat and dairy industry, for example. Lower carbon footprint means more animal suffering with smaller spaces and less care. Is that what we want as a collective? The solutions are not foolproof, but we can get closer to the solutions through action. Buddha once said, the cause of all suffering is attachment. What are we attached to? Things? Habits? Beliefs? Growth? Money? Power? We as the consumer choose with our wallets. It's like our wallet pays for the world we want to see. So it means taking on more responsibility to doing the research before we buy, because guess what? This is our legacy.